Alright everybody, you don't know who this is. This is the Skilla and this is the Skilla's Entertainment. Now, I'm going to bring you two clips today, right? And these clips is all about Jamaicans in other countries, right? Like, you can clearly identify these two countries that I'm going to show the two clips from. You know what I'm saying? One's good and one is kind of like a little feud, but it's not so much, because, we all have our disagreements. Anyways, in the first clip that I'm going to bring to you, I want you to not only observe the way how this lady is talking, but observes what happens when you're actually using your language in public spaces. You understand? And you have to be careful because remember, the younger generations is going to rule and we have to respect them. You understand what I'm saying? So see if you can learn something from this clip that I'm going to show you. Please observe.
Fuck all. You don't know fuck all, right? You don't know fuck all. Don't test me. Don't test me. Don't fucking test me. You fool, I'll spit in your face. Move from here. Move from here. Who do you think you are, girl? Who do you think you are? Go back to fucking Jamaica. Go back to your country. Go back to your country. I'll fucking box you up, yeah? You don't know who the fuck I am. You fucking pisshole. You think you're tough? I'll show you who's fucking tough. I'll fucking show you who's tough. You what the scale? Don't piss me off. Piss me off. Horrible children from horrible different man. That's what you know. It's people like me who's paying my taxes and national insurance, who's paying for you to fucking feed your children. You ain't done no one day's job in this London here. Who the hell do you think you are? And then you're cussing me in your stinking language. That's all you know. Go back to school and learn your ABC. People like you're so illiterate you can't even read and write. Can you even spell your name? No. Yeah.
You know what? I respect that Jamaican lady for not retaliating. You know what I mean? Because guess what? As again, I'm telling you, this is not a racial thing. So, obviously, this woman have a problem with maybe, it doesn't matter if you're Jamaican or not, it's like she's defending her country. And did you know that many people in other countries believe that the immigrants, the people that migrates to their country is destroying their country, which in everybody, has their own opinion. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of vice versa. There's a lot of bad and good in everything. You understand? But I really respect that this lady keep her calm, keep her cool. Because maybe this other lady just had a bad day and just decided to take it out on anyone. But we are all humans, So where there's no harm, it can be forgive and forget. Either way, right? Anyways, here is another Jamaican on the train this time. And this time, this Jamaican lady, this is not no violence, but she's actually letting you know that people do love Jamaicans in many other countries, even in the same UK, people do love Jamaicans, So like I said, everyone to their own opinion. So don't you dare use one person's bad vibes to get the whole thing wrong, So look at this lady and see for yourself that we are loved all over the world. Observe.
The train full and the train can't hold no more, why? The train can't hold no blood clot more. You don't understand, the train can't hold no more. The people are tired, the people want to be on a go today on Saturday. They work from Monday to blood clot Friday. And the train them full and people are spending money by token. Them need to run the service them better than blood clot that. Me a Jamaican, that me say. You have people in here, come on, I'm close to menopause. I can't take this shit. I'm close to menopause, y'all. And you know, I just won today because I didn't want to get sick and I'm sweating bullets back here, man. The train is full and I'm stuffing everybody like a pack of sardines. I wonder if you think we're sardine this morning. No, man, if you do better, when we put this out, everybody will see the train full. And I bet somebody will come at the door and try to get in. We tight like virgin in here, we can't hold no more. I bet somebody will come at the door now and try to come in. You coming up, baby? Alright. You want to sit down with the boy? Sit down, Papa. Come sit down. Make him sit down because he's young, he don't have no kids yet. The train full, me tell you. The train full. Let all the people out of the train. Let all the blood clot people out of the train. Make somebody else come in on the train. No, if you come out before the car come in, wait. The place tight like virgin in your wait. And what is so, Jesus? You feel no so they can't blood clot fit in the way you thought for. But I could have what is. If you know, no, sir. Look at me for stay up till the next ride. I can't come back down the ground. Can't know whether the stand up. But Jesus help my father in here today. Listen. I don't know why boy, you know, but in a tight like a virgin. Boy, everybody are local. Everybody, baby, you alright? Where your mommy there? You behave yourself, you a good girl? Alright.
The whole signal up in front, ladies and gentlemen. We got them in each other.
The speaker in the ear, I can't sing no song. Lord Jesus, I can't say, Father, help us, America gone bad. Father, help us, America gone bad. We not get no food stamp and me no sad. America gone bad. We don't close the blood clot train now. We want blood clot move, but what is? We not go stop at the train packer in a tight like a virgin. No, but are your wife that next to you? When your wife a girl for your cocky your cost. When your wife a girl for your cocky your cost, go away. The cocky go small. Where about me for boy? And she know what you too, because she a smile. All they can do is lick her like a lollipop. Go away, boy. But anyway, the train a move now. I'm going to behave myself.
Alright, so there you have it. This lady is fun, right? She said that the bus is too hot and she's going through menopause, right? I'm a guy, so I wouldn't understand what it means. But by what she's saying, I think menopause has something to do with her body getting like overheated or something, right? But if that be the case, I mean, she don't have to let everybody know. But it's normal to really tell people these things, because I know kids are getting this in school nowadays, so this is nothing to hide. Alright, so either of the situations, I'd rather be in the situation that I'm looking at right now, which is the lady talking about she have menopause, buses too hot, laughing, having fun, you know what I mean? But the other one, I couldn't find fun out of that one, even to hear the girl in the background laughing. You know what I mean? Then again, we do not know how the situation have started, so we can't really say anything. But I'm telling you this, Jamaica people is not always about anger thing, Please, just let me know what you think, Tell me your vibes, tell me your view, and give me the best approach you can, And always remember to hit the subscribe button. You know it goes, right? My name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.
Who do you think you are, girl? Who do you think you are? Go back to fucking Jamaica. Go back to your country. Go back to your country. I'll fucking box you up, yeah? You don't know who the fuck I am. You fucking pissole. You think you're tough? I'll show you who's fucking tough. I'll fucking show you who's tough. You walk the scale.
The train full and the train can't hold no more, boy. The train can't hold no blood clot more. You don't understand, the train can't hold no more. The people are tired, the people want to be and go to their Saturday. They work from Monday to blood clot Friday. And the train is full and people are spending money by token.